Welcome back with the new assignment week 3 on data analytics with Python. And coming to the questions, why one should not go for sampling? This is the first question, and the answer is because the research process is sometimes destructive. So stratified random sampling is method of selecting a sample in which the population is first divided into strata and then random samples are drawn from each strata. Coming to the third question, if the true proportion of customers who are below 20 years is P is equal to 0.35, what is the probability that a sample size of 100 yields a sample proportion between zero point 0.3 to 0.4, that is 0.706. Calculate the probability of getting 12 heads in 20 attempts from a fair coin, that is 0.120. A question paper contains 90 multiple choice questions. Each correct question carries 1 mark. There are 4 alternative answers A, B, C, D, of which only one is correct. Mr. X answers the questions randomly. What is the probability that X gets at least 10 marks? That is 0.9997. On average, 5% of the items supplied by the manufacturer X are defective. If a batch of 10 items is inspected, what is the probability that 2 items are defective? That is 0.075. A car distributor in city Y experiences an average of 2.5 car sales daily. Find the probability that on a random selected day that they will sell 5 cars, that is 0.0668. Given based on the question 7, find the probability on the randomly selected day that will sell no cars, that is 0.082. Based on the question 7, find the probability that on a random selected day they will they will sell at most 2 cars, that is 0.544. Based on the previous question only, 7th question, find the probability that on a randomly selected day they will sell exactly 1 car is 0.205. Now you can submit your answers. Once you have submitted your answers, the assessment submitted you can see here. If you have any doubts regarding the answers, you can comment in the comment box so that we can discuss in detail about the questions in the comment box and you can correct the assignments. That's all about the week 3 and let's meet in the week 4 assignment.